Well, hello everyone. This video shows how to make a website specifically table related in ratio and proportion. Kindly open the notepad, then kindly type the HTML tag, the highlighted one, then terminate it with backslash here. Next is the title tag here. Then type whatever you want, title you want. Yan. Then terminate it also with a backslash title. This is our example of title, how to make tables related to ratio and proportion. The next is type the body tag. Also, terminated it with body backslash. The tag H3 represent the heading of our website. To have a style in your heading, oops, I'm sorry for that. So, let's go back again. So, to have a style in your website, type this tag. Style type equals quotation text backslash CSS quotation, then here. Then, so here, to have a style in your heading, type heading, then curly brace, font dash family, and colon. Then type what font you want, then terminated with a semicolon. Also with color, you can type also the black, blue, or and the color code. Then terminated with also with a semicolon. Then you can align the text either left, right, or in the center. But for us, we align the text in the center, then terminated with a semicolon, then curly brace again. To have a table in your website, type the table tag. Here is the table tag. Table class equals gradable. The width of the table, 50%, and the height of the table, 25%. The tag TR represents the table row, and the TH is for the table heading. So here is the example of the table heading and table row. Here it is. The name, section, and the average. Which is the table heading. Then terminate it with a backslash TR. For more information, you can put some data in your tables, which is what I mean is using the tag TD. Then also terminate it with backslash TD. And you can put more data in your tables, but use this tag, the TR tag and the TD tag, then terminate with also with the backslash TD. Then after you put the information in the table, terminate it with the backslash TR. Then again and again. Then you can put some more information if you want in your tables. After you finish your table, you should always terminate it with a backslash, then backslash table. To have a style in your table, go again at your style tag. Then under the style type the table, then the class name you put in there. Then open curly brace, then the font family, font size, color, border width, border, collapse. Then terminate it with a close curly brace. You can also style the table header, type the table dot the class name, then th or table heading, then open curly brace, then board width, padding, border style, border color, then border background, then terminated with a close curly brace. Also, the table data, table dot, class name, TD, open curly brace, border with text align, padding, border style, border color, border background. And if you want more style in your table, you can add it by yourself. Then close it by a close curly brace, then terminate the style. Then after you put the style yan, again. Then if you are done with your website, close the body and the HTML tag. Then tanan, here is the output of our work. Hey! Yeah, and thanks for watching guys!